My name is Paul Thomasberg, and my job is to test product for Shimano, and I've been doing that since 1990. Innovated so much stuff. The first ramped cassettes, the first pickup pins on chain rings, the first hollow forged cranks. Really, it's just about the ultimate innovation for the mountain bike rider. Being isolated and having to test alone sometimes, I can't tell anybody and I can't talk about product. I spend a lot of time doing stuff, alone. I've been working on a new project. It's a new drivetrain system. This system allows you to stay in a more efficient gear more of the time. Better, quicker shifting, no momentum loss, optimized for full suspension. Each component in the system is designed together and engineered to go together. The front rings are totally redesigned. The ratio is actually closer together, so those jumps are much smoother. We looked at a bunch of different ways of arranging the cogs. We have closer ratio shifts in the middle of that cog set, and that is part of the efficiency of the system. So that 32 in the front and 36 cog in the back is unbelievably effective. So you'll be able to climb a bunch of stuff that previously you weren't able to climb. This is a completely redesigned chain. It's the first ever mountain bike specific 10-speed chain in the industry. We have 4 unique plates, and each plate is specific to a certain type of shifting. It's actually super high durability chain. It has special features that allow it to shed mud better than our current chain. The taller the rings are, the less chain tension there is. You want to be in the biggest possible front gear for technical climbing because of enhanced traction and improved suspension function. If you're out racing your buddies on a Saturday morning and you're using the new system, you have an advantage. After working on this project for so long, it's a relief to be able to talk about it. I could